All right, let's check our work. So the first one wanted you to find the answer. So if you ignore this, they're just saying where they are. So the first one shows I'm at 11.6. And then the jumps this way show how many he went back. So he went back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spots, which would be 7.6. So the answer would be 1.6, 2.6, 3.6, 4.6. Now they wanted you to write two equations for the two other number lines. So again, ignore the first line that's saying that they're at 11.6. So 11.6 minus, how many did they go back? 1, 2, 3. So 11.6 minus 3.6. Well, we have 1.6, 2.6, 3.6, 4.6, 5.6, 6.6, 7.6, 8.6. Now, if we look at this one, I'm going to write on the side. We started all the way over at 11.6, and we went back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots. So we minused 5.6. If we go, we got 1.6, 2.6, 3.6, 4.6, 5.6. Our answer would be 6.6. And that can also be written as a whole. 8.6, if you look, could also be written as 1 and 1.6, 2.6.